We had some trouble there. I think there the last number didn't go out over the airwaves, driving in my car. We'll play that later on. But as I said here, we've got the Reverend David Morrow, and I see you've changed your instruments. What do you call that instrument there?
This is called the mandola, and it's a lot of people will be familiar with the mandolin. Well, this is part of that sort of family of instruments. It starts off with the mandolin, which is smallest, and it has 8 strings. It's tuned D-A-G-E, and then there's the mandola, which is tuned similarly, and it has 8 strings, but it's about twice the size of the mandolin. And then there's a bigger instrument at the end called a bouzouki, and there's different ways to tune it, but it's the biggest of the family.
Right. I believe Olsen, you wrote those 2 bits.
Well, the first piece was a traditional pipe tune. The second 2 were tunes that I wrote myself. You know.
Right. So you're going to play us another couple here.
I'll try Skyboat song in the traditional piping type of tune. It's called the Athol Highlanders.
Right. Well,
on the mandola and the melodeon.
Right. We'll let you add it there.